Hi guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video of the next product that's going on the car. This is the Airtec cold side boost pipes. So let's just crack this straight open. So they've used these massive staples on the front. And we are in. So this was supplied by DRS Cornwall through Airtec. So it came direct from Airtec but was bought through DRS Cornwall. I had a small issue, and I say issue, it's not really an issue, where the package said that it was sent, but it wasn't sent, but it was just a slight mix-up between Airtec waiting for a hose and DRS Cornwall being told that it was sent. But within an hour of me sending the message, they had basically sorted it. They had rung Airtec, they had got confirmation of the problem, and basically had updated me from that. So I can't thank DRS Cornwall enough for their communication. That was extremely quick. So they've used this kind of this material, basically expanding foam. And then underneath the expanding foam, we have the pipe. So it comes with two silicone joiners, as you can see, and then the pipe itself, which I must admit, looking at this, is lovely. It's actually really, really nice. I like that a lot. So this is a Simposer delete only kit. So basically the Simposer delete is not needed anymore. If I just grab my knife, I can cut my way into this. Now I am in two minds about whether I should get this fitted before I have the turbo or kind of fit it at the same time as the turbo. I'm thinking if I get another dry day, I'll make a how-to video for you guys. I must admit that is a beautiful piece of work in terms of the kit. So we've got the Airtec logo here. I really don't know how this goes on the car. Maybe, I have a feeling it's like that, so that way round. I think a little MAF sensor thing goes in here, but I'm not 100% sure. See, we've got a pipe here. I guess it's a vacuum line maybe. And then obviously we've got the two silicone hoses. So I think it's the small one that goes on top, which goes on here. And we've got the larger one that kind of goes round the corner towards your boost pipes. But overall, super nice product. You can see the welding on that is really, really nice. And obviously the Simposer, I think, used to be around here somewhere. Obviously we'll compare the pipes when I got the old one off, but that's now gone completely. So no more fake noise and no more worry about the bung coming loose because it's just a thick, solid pipe now. But yeah, overall, nice little unboxing for you guys. I'm happy with this product. It's arrived in perfect condition. And obviously we've got the pipes here. I'll just open those just so you can see them firsthand without the packaging in front. So there's your small silicone hose. All their hoses are done by Pro Hose. And here is your larger silicone hose, once again by Pro Hose. Overall, super, super nice. So that's going to go on there. If I can get it to stay. That's going to go on there. This one's going to go over here somewhere. And that is your complete pipe. So, thank you guys for watching. That's been the Airtec cold side pipe. Hopefully I can get this fitted on the car very, very soon and show you guys the simplest and easiest way of doing that. But thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe down below, follow me on Facebook. That's going to appear that side. Facebook's appearing that side. Instagram's down there. But thank you very much, guys. Check out the merch and I'll see you guys in the next video.